Welcome. Today Rob talks about guided meditation. If you want to go to a narrated meditation, I will put a timestamp in the description so you can bypass this introduction. Stress. It's like it's an unwelcome guest that refuses to leave. Stress, my friends, is a universal experience, an uninvited intruder that can wreak havoc in our daily lives. This relentless pressure can manifest in numerous ways: a pounding heartbeat, sleepless nights, or even an unshakable feeling of constant worry. Long-term, the effects of stress can be even more alarming. It can impact our health, lead to burnout, and rob us of our peace of mind. Yet, amidst this turmoil, there's a beacon of hope. Stress management. It's about taking back control, reclaiming your tranquility from the clutches of stress. One of the most effective tools in our stress management arsenal is meditation. It's a practice that transcends time and culture, offering a sanctuary of calm in our chaotic lives. But what if there was a way to kick stress out of your life? A way to find calm amidst the chaos? That's where meditation comes in. Now imagine you're in a peaceful, serene place away from the noise and rush of your daily life. Guided meditation is a tool, a bridge that connects you to this tranquil oasis whenever you choose to cross it. It's a practice that harnesses the power of your mind, focusing it on a gentle narrative or a set of soothing instructions. This focus, this attention to the present moment, helps to quiet the constant chatter of thoughts and worries that can often lead to stress. Guided meditation is like a friend guiding you through a journey. You're not alone in this. Every word, every phrase is designed to help you navigate your inner world, to find calm amidst the storm. And as you embark on this journey, remember, it's not about reaching a certain destination, it's about the journey itself. And every step you take is a step towards a more peaceful, stress-free life. Remember, this is a journey, not a destination. By exploring guided meditation, you are taking the first steps to a more peaceful, stress-free life. Start by taking a deep breath in. Hold it for a moment, then slowly breathe out. As we journey further into this meditation, let's focus on the natural rhythm of your breath. It's a constant, dependable tool that's always with you. Like your own personal coach, and imagine your breath as a gentle tide, rolling in and out, steady and calming. Take a moment to really feel your breath. Feel the cool air as it enters your nostrils, as it travels down your throat, filling your lungs. Now take a slight pause before exhaling. Slowly release the warm air back into the world. This is your body in harmony, your breath in balance. Now, let's deepen that breath. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs to their fullest capacity. Feel your chest and abdomen expand as you take in as much air as you can. Hold that breath for a moment, savoring the sensation of fullness. Then, as if you're blowing out a candle, exhale slowly and completely, emptying your lungs. Feel your chest and abdomen contract. This deep breathing isn't just about taking in more air, it's about creating space within yourself. Space for calm, space for relaxation. Each deep breath you take is an invitation for peace to enter, and for stress to exit. Continue to breathe deeply, let your attention stay on your breath. If your mind wanders, that's all right. Acknowledge the thought, and then gently guide your focus back to your breathing. This isn't a test or a competition. There's no right or wrong way to do this. It's simply about being present, being in this moment with your breath. By focusing on your breath, you're in turn anchoring your mind, providing an oasis of calm in the midst of any chaos or stress you may be experiencing. Your breath is your constant, your steadying force. So continue to breathe deeply, slowly, purposefully. Allow your breath to guide you, to soothe you. Notice how with each breath you feel a little more relaxed, a little more at peace. Continue to keep taking in deep, long breaths, but now imagine a tranquil forest. The trees are tall and majestic. The air is fresh and clean. Picture yourself standing at the edge of this majestic forest. Look and see the sunlight peeking through the dense canopy, casting a beautiful amber light that dances on the forest floor. Leaves are swaying in the breeze, creating a soothing natural symphony. The scent of pine fills your senses, refreshing and invigorating. Begin to walk through the forest and feel the soft crunch of fallen leaves beneath your feet. Each step you take brings you deeper into this peaceful scene. Hear the distant sound of a bubbling brook, the gentle gurgle of water flowing over smooth pebbles. Now also hear the songs of chirping of birds in the distance. Their songs bring such a sense of peacefulness. As you continue to walk, you reach a small clearing. The sunlight here is warmer, brighter. In the middle of the clearing is a large, ancient tree. Its branches reach out, as if it's welcoming you. This tree is a symbol of strength and endurance standing through the test of time. Approach the tree and place your hand on its rugged bark. Feel the energy of life pulsating beneath your palm. This is the heart of the forest, the epicenter of tranquility. Take a moment and absorb this feeling, this connection with nature. Now imagine yourself sitting down at the base of the tree, your back comfortably resting against its sturdy trunk. This is your sanctuary, your escape from the outside world. Here, you are free from stress, free from worry. You feel a sense of peace enveloping you, a calmness that stems from your connection with this tranquil forest. Take a deep breath, and let the fresh forest air fill your lungs. Exhale slowly, releasing any remaining tension. You are one with nature, one with the forest. You are safe, you are at peace. You're here in this tranquil forest, free from stress and worry. You've just experienced a guided meditation, but what are the benefits of this practice? Guided meditation can seem like a simple exercise of relaxation, but it is so much more. It's a powerful tool that can transform your life in many ways. Let's delve into the myriad of benefits that this practice brings. First and foremost, guided meditation reduces stress. In our fast-paced world, stress is an unwelcome constant. Guided meditation allows us to step back, to pause and breathe, and to let go of the stress that clings to us. It's a sanctuary, a quiet space in our noisy lives. Regular practice can significantly decrease stress levels, promoting a sense of calm and balance that seeps into every aspect of our lives. Another amazing benefit is improved focus. In an era of constant distractions, maintaining focus can be a real challenge. Guided meditation, however, trains your mind to concentrate on a single point of reference, whether it's your breath, a mantra, or a visual image. Over time, this practice can help you develop a laser-sharp focus, boosting your productivity and enhancing your performance in all areas of life. Guided meditation also promotes better emotional health. It's a journey inward, a journey that helps us understand and manage our emotions. It fosters self-awareness, encourages self-acceptance, and cultivates a deep sense of inner peace. It's like having a conversation with your inner self, a conversation that can lead to profound personal growth. But perhaps the most beautiful aspect of guided meditation is that these benefits are not isolated. They intertwine, creating a ripple effect. Reduced stress leads to better emotional health, and improved focus leads to greater productivity. Each benefit feeds into the other, enhancing your overall well-being. Through meditation, you're not just managing stress, you're transforming your life. With guided meditation, you have a tool that can help you navigate the turbulences of life with grace and ease. It's a journey of self-discovery, a journey towards a better you. So why not make it a regular practice? After all, the journey of 1,000 miles also begins with a single step. Stress is a part of life, but it doesn't have to control your life. This is a fundamental truth we've explored throughout this video. But let's take a moment to recap and solidify what we've learned. Stress, although a common occurrence, can have a profound impact on our overall health and well-being. It can disrupt our sleep, affect our mood, and even lead to more serious health complications. But the good news is, you now have the power to manage stress. You've learned that one effective way to do this is through guided meditation. Guided meditation is a powerful tool in our stress management arsenal. It's a practice that's accessible to everyone, regardless of age or experience. What's more, it can be done anywhere and at any time, making it not just a tool, but an accessible one at that. In our exploration of guided meditation, we've delved deep into two key techniques: deep breathing and visualization. Deep breathing, we've seen, is a simple yet effective way to calm our bodies and minds. It's a technique that can be used in any stressful situation, providing immediate relief and a sense of calm. Visualization, on the other hand, allows us to create a peaceful refuge within our minds. By visualizing calming scenes, we can effectively transport ourselves away from the source of our stress, giving our minds the break they need to recharge and refocus. But remember, like any other skill, the benefits of guided meditation increase with regular practice. The more you practice, the better you'll become at managing your stress, and the more noticeable the benefits will be. So, I encourage you all to continue practicing meditation regularly. Make it a part of your daily routine. Let it be your refuge in times of stress, your tool for managing the pressures of life. Remember, a peaceful, stress-free life is within your reach. All it takes is a few minutes of meditation each day. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Every thumbs up, every comment, and every new subscriber helps us to grow. Your support enables us to create and share more content, and subscribing ensures you're always up to date with our latest videos. So join our growing community and embark on this journey of discovery with us. Thank you for your support.